Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how to make an enchanting table in Minecraft. So first, of course, go ahead and load your world, and once you are fully spawned in, make sure you have a crafting table, and what you're going to need are 1 book, 2 diamonds, and 4 obsidian. So now go to your crafting table, the book goes up top here, the diamond is going to go on the left and the right sides, and the obsidian is going to fill in the rest. And here you go, now you have an enchanting table, and all you have to do is place it and you can get going. All you gotta do is make sure you load up on lapis lazuli and plenty of books so that you can start making your enchantment books. You can make a cute little enchanting room for this. You can have empty bookshelves to put your enchantment books in. You can get better enchantments over time if you just keep using the table. But yeah, that is how you make an enchanting table in Minecraft. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!